So today we will talk about rules for binomial nomenclature. Yesterday we have studied about diversity and we can say different type of plants and animals in general. So there are different types of rules for binomial nomenclature. Yesterday we have studied that a scientific name or biological name is necessary to avoid any type of confusion. So that would be universal. Okay. So there are different rules for binomial nomenclature. You must have studied in class 9 book. So the very first rule is the words are, the origin of the word is from Latin language or it is derived from the Latin language. This is the first point. After that, if it is written, then it is written in italic language. It is written in italic language. Here language means font. Like there is something different font. If you open the Word file in computer, so here you can see there is a box. There is a I, and if we click on this I, then a font of our word will get changed. So this is, we can say, italic font. So they are in Latin or derived from Latin. If they written, they are in italic language. Okay. Now the binomial nomenclature including two words. Bi means two, nominal means two, including two words. So first word that denotes the genus and second word that denotes the species. Like here we have example of Mangifera indica. This Mangifera is the genus and this indica is the species. So in binomial nomenclature, the first word is of genus and second word denote the species. Third, when we write this binomial nomenclature with our hand, or we can say handwritten, then we have to separate, underline both the genus and species. If we are writing like this, then this is the wrong. We have to underline separate genus and separate species. Like this should be like this: Homo sapiens. So this is the genus, this is the species. This genus should be underlined separately and species should be underlined separately. Now next rule or fourth rule is the first letter of genus should be capital. चाहे हम हैंड रिटन करें और चाहे हम उसको लिखें इटैलिक्स में, the first letter of genus should be capital. So here in Mangifera I have written M as a capital. Okay, and the first letter of species should be small. First letter of species should be small. Okay, so here the word Mangifera and here word is indica. So Mangifera indica, this M is the genus, is with capital, and this I is starting from the small letter, and it should be separately underlined. So genus, species, capital, small, separately underlined. If it is while we are typing in the computer, then we have to select the italic font. Okay, so these are the different rules of binomial nomenclature. Now I am going to write some names, scientific name that given in this chapter only. So let's move to those names. Now see, these are the different scientific name or biological name or botanical name or zoological name in chapter number 1. So very first is Mangifera indica. This is mango. Second is Triticum aestivum, that is wheat. Third is Solanum tuberosum, दैट इज पोटैटो। नेक्स्ट इज सोलेनम नाइग्रम, एक मकोई होता है, अभी दिखाऊंगा थोड़ी देर में। सोलेनम नाइग्रम, देन सोलेनम मेलेनोजेना, दैट इज ब्रिंजल, देन सोलेनम इनेग्नम, that is tomato. Now see here, there are 4 different species. This is the genus, this is the species. Species 1, species 2, species 3, species 4. For all 4 species there is single genus. That means the species is very specific. Under one genus there may be different type of species. Okay. Then next is Musca डोमेस्टिका इज द हाउस फ्लाई। ये जो डोमेस्टिका वर्ड है ये डोमेस्टिक से आया, घरेलू से, तो हाउस फ्लाई से। तो मस्का डोमेस्टिका, देन होमो सेपियंस, सब जानते हो ह्यूमन बीइंग है। देन हियर इज पैंथेरा लियो, पैंथेरा इज द जीनस, लियो इज द स्पीशीज। पैंथेरा लियो इज फॉर लायन, पैंथेरा टिग्रिस इज फॉर टाइगर, एंड पैंथेरा पार्डस इज फॉर लियोपार्ड, जो तेंदुआ होता है। So so here 1, 2, 3, there are 1, 2, 3 species are there of one genus. So genus is Panthera. So here Leo, Tigris and Pardus. Okay, so lion, tiger and leopard. So these are the different names. So do one exercise. I am taking a problem here, like I am writing Musca domestica. This is the name. You have to make it correct. So how you will do this correct? First, this is the name of genus. It should be capital. तो ये M है वो capital हो जाएगा. Then first letter of genus should be small. तो ये जो D है ये small हो जाएगा. And third rule, the name of genus and species should be separately underlined. तो ये underline अलग हो जाएगा, ये underline क्या हो जाएगा, अलग हो जाएगा. तो इस तरह से हम प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now I am giving you one simple assignment. You have to find out 10 name of animals and 10 name of plants. Excluding these names, तो आपको 10 plants के और 10 animals के botanical name, zoological name और biological name लिखने हैं अलग अलग के, ये ना हो. ठीक है. So this is your assignment regarding this binomial nomenclature. So these are the names, all are given in chapter number 1. This is not in this chapter, but this is necessary to teach you something. Okay. So mangifera indica, mango, wheat, potato, maple, brinjal, tomato, housefly, human, lion, tiger and a leopard. Is clear or not? All rules are clear ना? तो ये ऐसे करना आपको.